Yes, guys, what's going on then? It's your boy NJ. Welcome to the NJ Show, the home of all your reaction videos. This is the place to be for all of your entertainment needs, reacting every day of the week for who? That's right, for you. Let's get it on then. Step on through, hit it up. All the social medias are down below in the description. You got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you use. Go give it a follow. Go say hello. Right then, on with the show. They are back once again. An all-time favourite, I'm not going to lie. This is Jamrud. I've only known these since I've been doing the show. Every time we've had them on, it's been one hell of a party. So do not miss this. Right, they are performing the song Kabari Aku. I don't know. I tried. You cannot fault me on that. I try my hardest, but you know me. If you don't know now, you know. It's the king of the butchers, baby. I butcher every goddamn name on the show. But that's the way it goes. This is Sounds from the Corner Live. Right, let's do it. On 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kabari Aku, whatever that means. Sick. Very Hendrix. Your boy's floating. I gotta tell you right now, it's all about that guitar riff for me. That, what is he playing? The wah? The wah pedal? Wow, 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 wow. It sounds like Hendrix. Throwback to Hendrix, man. The Godfather. Oh, so good once again. They told you they don't disappoint. This band Jamrud. Every time we've had them on, man, they come up with something, and every one is always a banger. No idea what the hell they're singing about. You know me, I don't know Indonesian, but what I can imagine it is, it's just good times. Nothing but good times. So tell me everything you know. Drop it down below in the comments. It's been a long time since we've had him on the show, and it's great to get him back on, man. There's just so much to react to. You have no idea. There's so much. Literally too much, I would say. There's too much stuff on the YouTube and what you guys are throwing at me every day. But don't stop, man. You're the best at it. Keep doing what you're doing. Also, like the video, subscribe to the NJ Show. Lets me that you want these guys back. And I'll deliver it. No doubt about it. Right, let's go. It's his voice. This is thunderous. gotta say, this has to be one of my faves. Woo. They're stepping it up. There we go. That's what I want to hear on the show. Come on then. Bravo, bravo. Jamrud, baby. Mungkin selama lagi kau yang ada di sini. Perfecto, man. Nailed it. Loved every minute of it. Right then, there you have it, Jamrud. Like I said before, it's great to have him back on. Every time we do, it's always a party. Just like that, man. And it seems to be from that very concert. Sounds from the Corner live. Like most of the reactions we've done has been from that show. So I guess it says it all, man. They deliver. Especially live. You know, we're gonna have to check out more of their music videos, but this live stuff, I'm all about it. I want more of that, definitely. Right, there you have it. Then that was Jamrud performing the song. Right, get ready. Here we go. Kabari Aku. I don't know. Help me out here. Hit it up in the comments below. How the hell do you pronounce that? Kabari Aku. Maybe I'm doing it right. But it does sound like I'm getting worse over time. Either way, who cares? It's all about the music, man. That's the way it plays. Let's do it then. Let's head on out of here, man. Let's do it. Let's rock and roll. I got things to do. So have you. Let's rendezvous right back here once again. Same time, same place, same channel. You know who I am. If you don't know, now you know. It's your boy NJ. You've been on the NJ show and you know what time it is. It is that time to go. But we will see you very soon in the next reaction video. Cannot wait, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit it up in the comments below. Tell me the next reaction video you want to see. I want to see all those requests down below. Let's do it. Right. Till next time. Be out. Later.